Let's imagine for a moment that you have the power to transform your kitchen into a true workshop for artisanal charcuterie. This is not a dream, but a reality, made possible by the Bosch ProPower MFW meat grinder. From the very first moments you discover it, you will understand that this is not just a simple appliance, but an indispensable kitchen companion. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features. See hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers and order yours right away. This meat grinder is the ideal tool for cooking enthusiasts who wish to explore homemade charcuterie and prepare fresh recipes with professional ease and efficiency. It is the perfect companion for cooking enthusiasts who want to control the ingredients in their dishes and experiment with various culinary preparations. Designed by Bosch, a brand synonymous with quality and innovation since its founding in 1804, the ProPower is not just a meat grinder. It is a promise of culinary creativity and autonomy in the preparation of your favorite dishes. Imagine being able to make homemade sausages, fresh tartares, delicious meatballs, and even authentic flavored kebabs in the comfort of your home. This dream becomes a reality with the ProPower. The heart of this technological marvel beats thanks to a robust 800-watt motor capable of processing up to 4.3 kilos of meat per minute. Yes, you heard that right. 4.3 kilos per minute. It is the secret to having quick, efficient, and effortless preparations, allowing you to enjoy your culinary creations faster than ever. Versatility is another pillar of the ProPower. With 3 grinding plates of different sizes, this device adapts to all your desires. Whether you want finely minced meat for tartares, medium for sausages, or coarsely for juicy meatballs, the possibilities are endless and within your reach. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. But Bosch does not stop there. The ProPower comes with a range of accessories that perform over 15 functions. The sausage kit and the cube kit invite you to explore new recipes and rediscover classics. The grater and slicer accessory opens the door to using vegetables in your preparations, making this device essential for all aspects of your kitchen. The design of the ProPower combines elegance and practicality. Its stainless steel design fits perfectly into any kitchen, while its transport handle and the integrated compartment for the grinder plates highlight Bosch's attention to detail and convenience. This meat grinder is not just a device, it is an investment in your passion for cooking, a way to redefine what it means to prepare a meal. Bosch, with its legacy of excellence and innovation, guarantees you a reliable product that will enhance your culinary experience for years to come. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order this product now and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. The number one advantage is power and efficiency. With a power of 800 watts capable of processing up to 4.3 kilos of meat per minute, the grinder ensures quick and effortless preparation. Advantage number 2, delivered with several accessories, including sausage and kebab kits, as well as a grater and slicer attachment offering more than 15 functions for a wide range of culinary preparations. Advantage number 3, build quality. Made of stainless steel, this grinder combines durability with an elegant design, fitting perfectly into any kitchen. Advantage number 4, ease of use and storage. The carrying handle and the integrated compartment for storing the grids make it easy to use and store. Advantage number 5, safety. Its robust design automatically stops at 2200 watts to prevent overloads and ensure safe use. Disadvantage number 1, cleaning. As with most meat grinders, cleaning the various parts can be tedious, especially after heavy use. Disadvantage number 2, noise. Like all powerful appliances, the noise level can be relatively high during use, which could be a drawback in certain home environments. So, as we reach the end of this presentation, one action is necessary to transform your kitchen and your meal. Click on the link in the description. Order the Bosch ProPower at the best price. Learn more about this incredible meat grinder and join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already revolutionized their cooking experience. Don't miss this opportunity to embrace creativity, quality, and the joy of cooking with Bosch. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.